This is IoT Board. It is designed to study electronics and programming for school children. The kit consists of 39 modules, such as Wi-Fi for smart home, Bluetooth, radio for wireless robots, motor driver, MP3 player, LCD screen, and many other components. The main brain for all modules is Arduino. Sensors from the standard set are located along the perimeter, and in addition to the main set, we have added communication modules to empower students when creating projects related to the Internet of Things. Also, the kit includes a toolbox, which consists of the most necessary tools, such as a power supply, a battery connector, a multimeter, hand tools, and connection wires. We complement the toolbox with free comprehensive lessons for both school and university students as well as teachers. All lessons are available on our online platform. Our 3D animated lessons take the students step by step through each module and provide great visualization of all of the components and their interactions. After completing the course, students will be able to make complex projects for competitions or for their startup projects, and can be considered aspiring electronics engineers capable of making their own devices. Importantly, all of the tools, lessons, and the board itself can be used by the student on their own without overloading the teacher. All elements and modules are fixed onto the board and so are easy to keep in order. And for safety, they are all equipped with protection against short circuits and other widespread rookie mistakes. All of the mentioned above makes this kit the teacher's reliable assistant and an effective tool for teaching electronics. IoT Board, an indispensable assistant for a robotics teacher.